Hey, John Crestani here, and I'm going to show you how to go from $0 to making $1,000 a week with the affiliate marketing business model. Doing affiliate marketing, which has made me and netted me to become a multi-millionaire, and it's been pretty exciting. And I'm going to go over my tips for how you can go from absolutely $0 in the bank anywhere in the world, no matter what age you are, even if you just crawled out of the womb, as long as you can use a computer and you have an internet connection. I will show you how you can make $0 to $1,000 right now. Let's get into it. Hey, John Crestani here. Now let's go over how you can go from absolutely $0 to your name to making $1,000 a week with affiliate marketing. Now, what's great about affiliate marketing is it doesn't require you to have any paid tools. It doesn't require you to spend any money on anything, even affiliate networks, to start making money. And the best place to start, the only place to start to go from $0 is you want to start with free traffic strategies. Now, since this doesn't require any of your money to get started with, it will require your time to start earning commissions and money online. Some good places to start where you can post content out for free, get people viewing your content and interacting with it, and perhaps buying the products that you're recommending is Facebook, YouTube, and Pinterest, and Instagram, and Twitter. All 5 of these sites, you can post content for free that is publicly available to anyone with an internet connection and get traffic to your affiliate links. With Facebook, you can simply build up an audience with your own profile and then create a group. And then inside of your group, you can tie that back to your affiliate link that you get from whatever affiliate network you're working with, or ClickBank or Digistore or CJ, whatever affiliate network you're working with. And if you want to know more about affiliate networks or how you can join affiliate programs, make sure to watch some of my videos about those topics. I'll have links around this video for that. Now on Pinterest, you can simply pin images that you create for free using the free photo editing and creation program called Canva. And then in your pinned images, you can place an affiliate link. When people click on it and buy the product, you earn money. And on YouTube, you can post videos for free and you can include an affiliate link in the description so that when people click on it and buy, you earn money. And the cool thing is that Pinterest pins and YouTube videos, they'll show up for the long term. So you're actually creating an asset for yourself that can be monetized in the long term. And if you want to see examples of this, just look beneath this video. I have tons of affiliate links to tons of products that I recommend and that I promote and that I earn commissions from. I earn over $15,000 per month from the ClickFunnels affiliate program because I recommend people who don't know programming, which is the majority of folks that watch my videos, use ClickFunnels to build web pages. You can even look at the most popular YouTuber of all time, PewDiePie, and you can find that he has a ton of affiliate links in the description of his video. And you can see lots of other YouTubers use the products he recommends, such as his infamous chair that he's always sitting in. You know, hundreds of thousands of people have spent $500 to buy that darn chair. Now, the second tip here is that you'll want to outsource these free strategies as fast as possible. Now, because they take a lot of your time, once you start making money from doing the posts, the pins, the videos, the articles, you'll want to find people to start taking over some of that work. Now, for instance, I pay folks to edit these videos. I don't do the editing myself anymore. And for example, I pay people to manage some of my other social accounts, my website, my blog, because it isn't worth my time anymore. And by hiring somebody for less than the amount of money I'm making, I end up making profits and money without any time spent on my part, passive income. And the third and possibly the most important tip I can give you to go from $0 to $1,000 a week in affiliate marketing is that you'll want to take the money that you are making from free traffic strategies, and once you've outsourced a bunch of that work and you've freed up both your time and you're generating money, is start reinvesting that money into paid advertising or paid marketing, paid traffic strategies. Meaning, instead of just allowing Google and Facebook and Pinterest and Twitter and Instagram sending you people to your affiliate links and your websites for free, that you start paying Instagram to advertise on Instagram. You start paying Facebook to advertise on Facebook. You start paying YouTube to advertise on YouTube. And you target your advertising so that every dollar you spend, you make back two. This is what I teach in my training course called the Super Affiliate System, which we released a new version of this year, just a few months ago, and we're building software for. In my training course, the major focus is support. Again, you could find all of the information that's in the Super Affiliate System probably somewhere in my archive of 600 videos that I've done over the last 3 years on YouTube. But the differentiating point is that I can't offer support to 1 million people that watch my videos every month here on YouTube. We do offer fantastic support in helping you create your online business when you're a student of my program. We have regular webinars. We have step-by-step guides that go through everything. People will hop on calls with you to help you through the tough points, and we really just make it step-by-step simple so that you have an easy blueprint to follow to earning money online that others have followed before you. And you can look at our testimonials on my YouTube homepage channel thing. We really focus on making it a great program, and we've had a lot of success stories. And what's great is when you're using free traffic strategies to get started, you can use the audiences that you are building up on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Google, etc. And you can use those audiences to create remarketing lists, and it just creates an asset for yourself that you can leverage off of and use to make it even easier to get into and start earning up to $1,000 a week. And you can use all of these assets to make it easier for you to go from $0 to $1,000 a week with affiliate marketing. The most important thing here is to stay consistent. When you're producing free content, when you're putting stuff out there, when you're spending your time to make money, the biggest factor that holds back students of mine from applying the free traffic strategies, and I'm talking about just people who watch me on YouTube really, because those are the ones doing the free traffic strategies the most, is the consistency. Again, most of my students allow life to cause them to be inconsistent in what the content they're producing online. It just doesn't work out. Again, the algorithms don't care if your sister has a wedding this weekend. They want you to produce content, and they will punish you if you don't produce content. So the algorithms that rule YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest are relentless. They're relentless bosses. They're the worst bosses, but they're also the best because they're perfectly non-biased. And if you learn how to work with the algorithms that govern how traffic flows from Instagram or Twitter and who becomes famous and who doesn't, then you will end up making a lot of money, and you won't have to report to anyone except the algorithm. So thanks for watching. And if you want to go deeper into marketing, offer you a lot of money to subscribe. Now, every Monday I do a live question and answer session, and I give away money. I don't know, it just seemed the easiest thing. Well, I give away money in the form of Amazon gift cards, and I scratch them off live every week. Now, last week I had 100 people on my live stream, and I gave away $500. Now, that's an average of $5 per person who was on my live stream, which means that there's a lot of money, folks, and I'll just be giving away more as we scale my internal affiliate campaigns. Also, when you're a subscriber, you'll see that I do a lot of community posts, and I kind of share about some of the businesses I'm doing on the side. I started a new kind of part of my business recently. I started doing affiliate marketing on television. Within 3 months, we actually got past the six-figure mark, which means we earned over $100,000 in a single month within 3 months of me starting that business. And, you know, I talk about some of these things in my community posts, and you'll see those once you're a subscriber. So I look forward to you being a subscriber. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, make sure to check out my homepage or my channel page on YouTube. If you want to learn about my story and how I got to the place I am, having many millions of dollars and not having any employees, make sure to read about my story. Or if you want to just, I don't know, look at other videos of mine, check it out. Oh, the community. If you want to interact with other aspiring entrepreneurs, which I really strongly encourage, your network is your net worth. Join the Discord link below. We have a chat forum. It's free, no money, no nothing. And you can interact with other folks that are starting their own online businesses. So thanks for watching. Talk to you all soon. Have a great day.